Here's a walkthrough on the renovation progress. We should be ready for sheathing inspection this week. Roofline trim is going on. We got soffits and fascias. Some windows cut out. Look at that beautiful chimney. Coming inside. Ceilings are strapped. I know a lot of you guys in all areas of the country don't strap your ceilings, but I'll show you a few reasons why we do it in another video. This area is framed in. This will be pantry, bath, closet, and then we'll just come in here. It's kind of dark to the kitchen area. Going upstairs, you're gonna walk right to an open hallway. Then in here will be laundry. Turn around for the master. Master will have its own bath and walk-in closet. This bathroom's pretty big. Gigantic shower. Right there. Look at that. You can have a party in here. Woo-wee! This dude is out like a light. Water closet. Coming down the hall. Bedroom. Couple closets. And office area. Over the mudroom and over the garage, we have a nice cathedral area here. Really makes this place feel big. This week, we'll hope to put the windows in and doors, get this place watertight.